Hello, everyone. Ụtụtụ ọma if this is your morning. Ehihie ọma if this is your afternoon. Mgbede ọma if this is your evening. Abalị ọma if this is your night. This is the Igbo Tutor live. So wherever you are, in any part of the world, and you are interested in challenging yourself to speak Igbo language free of charge in a free live class, this is where to be at this time. You're born by Igbo parents, married to Igbo, living outside Igbo land. You have no one around you to, speak to, or who you will listen to speak Igbo to you. And you have the desire in your heart to learn Igbo language. Why not? If not, we are here for you. This is a live class by the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafo. So wherever you are, you want to test yourself, test your knowledge of Igbo language, listen to Igbo word or Igbo phrases and sentences, and see how much you can comprehend that. This is where to be every Saturday. So feel free to join us to learn Igbo language on the go, free of charge. As you join this class, first thing to do is to drop your greetings. Say ndewo, no, daalu, kedu. Just say anything in the chat. That way, we will be able to pick your name and return greetings to you. And then we begin to learn together. Okay, Lanre Akinlaja, welcome. So who else is there that want to learn Igbo language, you have Igbo friends, business partners and associates, neighbors who are Igbo, fiancé or fiancée, Igbo wife, Igbo husband, Igbo parent, but can't speak Igbo language, married to Igbo, but you want to flow with your in-laws. Why not? This is where we are. So you come alive, come join us here. Let's speak Igbo language. Let's try to speak Igbo language. Let's learn Igbo language together. And this is what we do every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Actually, this class is meant for channel members, but I've waited for them for about 20 minutes in our members only live class, but they didn't turn up. And then I have to, be magnanimous enough to make this class open for everyone to join. So Lanre, yes, you couldn't see me all along, but we've been having live classes. But the live classes you are reduced to only members of this channel. So if you want to be part of our live classes, you have to join our channel membership. Today it was made open because the channel members couldn't turn up after I've waited for 20 minutes. So we have to declare an open class to benefit everybody. So Lanre, that is why you are seeing me right now. Otherwise, you won't see me. So do well to join our channel membership if you want to be part of our live lessons, right? All right. So no, Lanre Ndewo Mazi Emehe Clement. Came too late. If you had joined earlier, we'll be having our live class in our in our private lesson class. But all the same, all things work together for good. Larry wouldn't have seen me again after a long time if not that this class was made open. Larry, I think what you should write is Otego, not Otogo. Yeah, this is supposed to be Otego. Otego. I think that is what you wanted to write. Or is that what you wrote? Let me be sure. Oh, yeah, you wrote it where? Yes, you wrote it where? Otego. Otego. Yeah. Otego means it's been long. It's been long. Larry is saying it's been long. Apparently saying it's been long he saw me in a live class. Okay. Okay, Lara Kinlaja, thank you for that promise. You're going to join our channel membership after this class. We appreciate that. Even as this class is going on, you can hit the join button below there and then do the necessary payment. If you're in Nigeria, it's just 2,000 naira. But outside Nigeria, YouTube determines the price depending on the country. So it's not in my hand to do that. Okay. But in Nigeria, resident is just 2,000 naira, which is a token. I also need to say that if you join our channel membership, you also have as part of the perk, free ebook, Igbo ebook every month, which comes with downloadable audio. So you have a double advantage: live class, ebook, free of charge. So the ebook is even more than the price for subscription if you are in Nigeria. The minimum price for our ebook is 3,000 naira. But if you are in Nigeria, you are paying 2,000 naira for both ebook and live classes. So it's almost like we are giving you everything free and even more than you are paying for. Right. Let's go back to class. Ogologo oge. Okay. Ogologo oge. Yes. Otego is it's been long. Okay. That is simple meaning of otego. It's been long. Let's go on. Last week we continued our expression and conversation around um, Igbo. Uh, what we do here generally this time around is to challenge ourselves, to measure our level of progress, to know how much we can comprehend spoken Igbo. You've been watching videos of Igbo lessons all along, but here we try to put you to test by letting you be able to listen to Igbo word, Igbo sentences, and see whether you can comprehend the meaning and translate it to English to show you understood what have been said. That is the process you are following here. So when I make a sentence, you listen to me attentively to see whether you can comprehend Igbo when it is spoken around you, whether you can know what is said and the meaning of what is said, and whether you can be able to respond accordingly. That's what we do. Last week we talked about Ahorum Obodom Nanya. That was what we are talking about Obodom, my country. Okay. Can I also use Ogologoge to say the same thing? Okay. The expression will change somehow. Okay. Okay. We don't just use Ogologoge for saying it been long in terms of time. Okay. And okay, but you can say anyị ahụghị. My eye is supposed to have dot under it. Anyị ahụghị, we didn't see. Anyị ahụghị. Okay, my eye is not having the dot under is not coming from my keyboard. I don't know why. Anyị ahụghị ogologo oge gara aga. That is the only way you can say it if you want to use ogologo oge. Anyị ahụghị ogologo oge gara aga. We didn't see long time ago. But if you just want to say otego, it's enough. It's been long. It been long. You don't want to make a long sentence. It been long. Otego, which is correct. Okay, so I go back to what we're talking about. And talking about Ahurum Obodom Nanya. That is the series we're talking about now. I love my country. Okay, we now ask, Gini mere iji hụ ya n'anya, which means, why do you love her? That is the country. And then you gave your reasons. One of the reasons you gave is, one, maka ihe niile dị mma n'ime ya, for every good thing inside it. And then we said, o nwere mmiri ozuzo. Ezigbo mmiri ozuzo dị ya. There's good rain in the country. Anwụ na-acha. Okay, anwụ is the sun, is shining, good sunshine in the country. These are a few things we said last time because of the shortness of time. Now we talk about enwere. We're beginning today. I don't know whether I covered this last week or not, but when I say it, I think Emehe or whoever will be able to pick that. Okay, that is mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ dị n'ime ya. Or let's say, o nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. That is the first expression today. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Can you try to see if you understand what I said? O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. What did I say? Write what I've said in English if you understood what I said. Obodo m nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Or o nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Let's go. Who can try that? O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this live class so that more people can be able to join us. That's very important to us. Hit the like button beside my channel name and then share it out so that others can come in. Right? Thank you for doing that. Let's go. I've made the first sentence today. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Okay? What did I say? Okay? What did I say? O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. What did I say? Go ahead and try to do that. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Talking about why I love my country. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Yes, let's go. I hope I'm clear enough. I want to believe I'm very clear enough. I'm audible enough. You can hear me clearly. Please confirm. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Let's go. What did I say? O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Okay, Larry say, amaghị m, no problem. We're going to do that. What about emeghe? Any idea? O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Okay, it has vegetation, live trees. Okay, you tried. Let me write what I've said first in Igbo. That is the way we do it here. O nwere, because of those who are writing, they have to write first. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. My day should have dot under the I. Okay. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. I only know the beginning. It has something. Yeah, that's a good way to begin. You are beginning well. It has something. O nwere mkpụrụ. So you don't know mkpụrụ osisi. You don't know dị ndụ. That's fine. That's why we are here. Mkpụrụ osisi means fruit. Fruit. Okay? Fruit. Mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ is fresh fruit. Fresh fruit. Something that is having life in it. Okay? So this means it has, okay, which is where Clement began it well, okay? It has fresh fruits. So mkpụrụ osisi is fruits. Fruits, that is mkpụrụ osisi. Whatever type of fruit, they are all called mkpụrụ osisi, okay? Mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ, that has life in it, that is fresh one. Is that okay? Lanre, did you get that right? Is that clear? Mr. Emehe, did you get that? It has fresh fruits. O nwere mkpụrụ osisi dị ndụ. Confirm if you get that. Lanre, did you get that clearly? Okay. Okay. Next sentence now. I'm waiting for Lanre's response. Is that clear? Let's go to the next sentence. The next one is mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Yes, let's go. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. What did I say? Try to write it. Lanre, you didn't confirm whether you understood the first sentence and the meaning. So let's go. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Let's go there. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Okay, that's good. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. What did I say? What did I say? Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. What did I say? Let's try it. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Dr. Blahi, no na klaasị o. Dewo, ị bịara late, mana nsogbu adịghị. Ọ ka mma ịbịa late karịa abịaghị abịa. It's better to come late than never not to come. Okay? The sentence we're looking at, Dr. Blahi, is Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Anybody trying that? Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Yes, let's go. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. No idea? Clement, no idea? Dr. Blahi, any idea? Lanre, any effort there? Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Let's give it a trial. Let's give it a trial. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. Clement has tried. People live there. Korita, which is good. Okay, that's good effort. You are doing English Igbo, joining English with Igbo together. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. So, Lanre, you can see those other people that are in the class with you that their name has yellow star. They have stars against their name. That means they are channel members. So they are the one that made this class possible. Their payment is why we are here. If not, I won't be here today. So join them to support this project and continue to learn with us. People in place are doing something good. I know I don't get everything. Yes, at least you tried. Mado, that is people, okay? Or the people or human being, that is a good trial. In the place, niibeya, not nebe, is naibeya, okay? So I think two people have tried. Let me go and write the Igbo sentence in full for those who are copying so that they can update their own record. Okay. People and live there. Okay. That Dr. Blahi, that's good effort. Madonna. Ibe ya na eme korita. My rita, the I there should have dot under. I don't know what is wrong with my keyboard here. Korita and comma. Okay. This is what it is. Mmadụ na ibe ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. This is the difference between Nigeria, local setting, and over there in US or any other place in the Western world, where everybody is locked up in their own apartment. There's no communication, no contact with your neighbors. You can live with somebody for years and you don't know each other. That is the difference between Africa setting, Nigeria, and over there. That's why what you can't get outside Nigeria. So this means, okay, people and their neighbors. Although neighbor is abatobi, okay, but we can say people are relating together well, okay. People are relating together well. You can see children playing together. You can play with your neighbors. You can talk to each other. You can share things together in Africa, in Nigeria as neighbors. But over there in the Western world, everybody to your tent. No one communicates with each other. People are relating together well. Yes, that is one beautiful thing about Nigeria and Africa. We relate. You talk to your neighbors, you play around, you talk, you greet, you do things together, you visit each other freely. That is not seen or possible out there. Everybody is also isolated, okay, on their own. All right. I hope my translation and explanation is clear. Mmadụ na ibe ya, that is someone or people and the other person around them, ibe ya, colleague, friend, neighbors, okay, that is ibe ya, the one next close to you, okay, is also called neighbor, abatobi, if you want to call it neighbor, okay. So neighbor is abataobi. If you want to use neighbor, you can say mmadụ na-agbata obi ya instead of saying na ibe ya, na agbata obi ya na-emekọrịta nke ọma. So agbata obi is neighbor. Ibe is just next person to you, next person around you, ibe gị. Okay? Okay, we have ikwu na ibe. Ikwu na ibe is going to relation, blood relation, ikwu na ibe. Okay, is used to say relations and neighbors. Ikwu na ibe. Okay, I hope that is making sense to somebody here. Okay, na emekọrịta is a relating, relating together nke ọma, relating well. Break down the emekọrịta. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Emekọrịta. Eme is doing something. Korita is together. Okay? Doing things together. Doing things together. Me korita, me ya together. Okay? Me ko is do it together. Me korita, the full word. I hope that makes sense. Me korita nke oma. We're relating together well. That well is nke oma. I hope that is clear, Mr. Lanre. I hope it's clear. Now, I've broken that me korita into pieces now. Right. I do hope it's fine. So Larry, confirm if you understood if you understand what I said about Mekorita. Confirm you are clear about that and everybody in the class. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the next sentence. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Let's go. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. What did I say? Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. What did I say? Write what I've said now, translate it to English, and write in the chat. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Write what I have said in the chat. You have not been able to, you don't think this live class deserves your thumbs up. You didn't hit the like button. I don't know why you're annoyed with your teacher today. Nobody is liking this live class. I don't know whether anybody is sharing it as I said. Hit the like button beside my channel name. I don't know where it's located around you there. And then, yeah, and then do share this live class if it's possible. Thank you, emailer, for doing that. All right. I've made another sentence, and that is mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. What did I say? Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. What did I say? Let's go there. Who is shooting first? If you are in this class and you've not greeted us, you've not written ndewo, daalunu, well done, write something in the chat. Let's know that you are here. That's the only way you can mark your register. We can know you are in the class. Do that now. Going for emergency surgery. Oh, Dr. Ablahi, God will be with you. God will be in your hands, grant you success in the surgery, and you come out tops with testimonies. Okay? Okay, Larry said, but two things are wutem. Okay, I didn't say ihe, but I say otu ihe. Otu ihe. At least you got but. That is mana. You got it right. Mana otu ihe na-ewute. Right? So, what is Emehe saying? Mana otu ihe na-ewute. Dr. Blaine has gone to theater. So, Emehe, what do you say? But one thing is paining me. Wow, wonderful. But one thing is paining me. That's excellent. That's excellent. Clement Emehe, well done. Yes. And I expect that from you. You are old student. Mana otu. Let me write in Igbo first. That is our rule here. Because of those who are writing notes. Otu ihe na ewute m. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Sorry. Sorry, no. I meant but one thing is okay. But you wrote but one thing. You wrote but two things instead of saying one thing. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right. Otu ihe na-ewute m. And that is exactly what Clement has written. That is the correct interpretation. But one thing is paining me. I don't like one thing about this country. But one thing is paining me. Mana otu ihe na-ewute m. Let's go. You will ask me question now about that one thing. You will ask me, what is that? What is paining you? Okay, let's put it this way. What is paining you? You will ask me this question now in Igbo language. What is paining you? You are asking me the question. We're interacting. You will ask me. I've said one thing is paining me in Igbo. You will ask me, what is paining you? Ask me that question in Igbo language. Write the question in the chat for me. What is paining you? Write it in Igbo language in the chat. You are asking me the question. Assume you are talking to me now. You are asking me, what is paining you? Go ahead and do that. Mhm. Go ahead and do that. Mhm. Yes, I'm waiting for that. You are asking me the question, what is paining you? Dr. Blahi is not sick. Oh. He is going to perform a surgery on somebody. He's a medical doctor. So he's not sick. That's why I pray that God will be in his hand and grant him success. He is not sick. I'm talking to Clement. You say Ndo, Dr. Blahi. Okay. So let's go. I'm waiting for you to ask me this question. What is paining you? Ask me the question now. We are conversing. Ask me the question. What is paining you? Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Ask me the question now. What is paining you? Good work. Good work. Good work. Waiting for Dr. Blind. Who else is in the class that has not, greeted us? He has not communicated with us. I know we are more than two here. What is going on? Who is a silent student in the class? Just drop a greeting. Let's know you are here. Okay. Dr. Larry wrote, Gini wutegi. Good effort. Dr. Blahi, Gini bu na ewutere gi. Good effort. Good effort. Okay, but let me write the way it should be. Please, mind you, my I in this Gini should have dot under them, just like I don't know if I may have put dot under his own or not, but the two I should have dot under them. My keyboard is not letting me do that. Gini na is present continuous word. So you have to go with na and hyphen before a wute. G should have dot under the I. Okay? This is what it should be. Gini na a wute gi. Gini na a wute gi. So Larry tried, though your Gini has two N, it should be one N. Then your wute should have na dash E before wute. That is how to write present continuous tense. You have to go with na hyphen and then the verb. I don't think I can explain all the details here. Those who are in my private class will know how to, form that perfectly. Future tense, present continuous tense, and the rest of them. Okay? I don't know if I'm going to bring it here at a point. I call it Igbo game, Igbo verb game. How to twist it here and there. But Clement, we've done that in a private class. Okay? And I don't know. So it's going to help. So this is how it should be. Gaining a wutegi, what is paining you? Larry, is that clear? In what area? Okay. Let's go. Let me answer that question now. Ihe na-ewute m bụ na anyị enweghị ezigbo ndị ndu. Ihe na-ewute m bụ na anyị enweghị ezigbo ndị ndu. This is too long. I think it's too long for you. I think it's too long. How do I make it shorter? Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Let me make it shorter like this. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Let's leave it at that so that it won't be too long. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Okay, can anybody try that to write what I've just said? Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Okay? Yes, I've made a new sentence. I'm answering your question now. Ihe na-ewute m. Remember the way I wrote the question. It's taking that same form. Na-ewute m. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. So let's try that out. Mehe, try that. If you are in the class and you have not dropped your greetings, you are not doing well. You need to drop your greetings to us. Let's acknowledge your presence and talk to you. This is a live class where we mention people's name directly and interact with them. So don't be a silent student. Let's know you are in the class. Be proud enough to learn Igbo with us. Drop your greetings. Say hi, hello, they would know. That way we can also return greetings to you, call you by name, and interact with you. Okay? The sentence again. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Yes. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Anybody trying that out? Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Yes, let's go there. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Yes, drop your translation of that quickly. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Yes, no one has responded. No one has responded. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Waiting for your response. Ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Yes. Waiting for you. Clement is in. Okay, that's good trial. Okay, Larry is also in. The thing paining me is our people. Wow, very good trial. That's great, Larry. Clement wrote, thing paining me are people living, not ndendo. Ndindu. That's a Larry has done better in this one. He got the beginning, but let me write the Igbo version first. Ihe na ewute m bụ ndị. My I in ndị should have dot under it. Ndu anyị, the same for anyị. Okay, ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. Let's see what this means. The thing paining me is our leaders. Ndị ndu is leaders. Idu is to lead. Duru is lead. Okay? Onye ndu is a leader, one person. Onye ndu. Ndị ndu are leaders, plural. So ihe na-ewute m bụ ndị ndu anyị. The thing paining me is our leaders. Okay? Ndị ndu anyị. I hope that is clear enough. If you get that right, type yes. Say a. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwetara ya, dee a. If you know you are clear with that. Let's go to the next sentence. What did they do? What did our leaders do? Ha nwere anya ukwu. 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 Let's go. What did I say? Ha nwere anya ukwu. Yes, try that. That's why I don't like them. That's why their life is paining me. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Yes, write what I've just said in Igbo. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Let's go there. Deere m ya n'asụsụ Igbo ọsịsọ. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Ha nwere anya ukwu. I've made another sentence, so Lanre. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Let's do that. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Yes, let's try that. Ha nwere anya ukwu. Ha nwere anya ukwu. What did I say? Ha nwere anya ukwu. I like that. They have big eyes. That's good. That's a literal interpretation. That is okay. Is it connotative meaning or denotative meaning? Which one? I think it's connotative, the raw meaning of the words, but not the actual meaning. But that's a fair trial. They have big eye, hangweranya, uku. That's good. I like that. So what is a man saying? Okay, they have brought us fire. Mbao, don't be that. I hope Emehe is hearing me very well. I hope you are hearing me very well. Okay, but let me write what I've said. But Larry got what I said literally, but not the real meaning. Okay, ha nwere. What is that? Anya ukwu, big eye. But what does that mean in Igbo language? The meaning is they are selfish. They are selfish. That is the real meaning of that anyukwu in Igbo language. They are selfish. Ha nwere anyukwu. That is selfishness in Igbo language. They are selfish. Larry, is that clear? Amen. I hope you are getting what I'm saying and you are hearing me loud and clear. Okay. Okay. They are selfish, or they have selfishness. Whichever way where you want to put it. They have selfishness, they are selfish, the same thing. Is that clear? Confirm if you get it right. We go to the last sentence for today. We've hit 40 minutes mark already. Okay, you are hearing anyoku. I said anyuku. I didn't say anyoku. But Larry was able to get what I said exactly the way I said it. He got it. He wrote big I, which means my pronunciation was clear enough for him to know I said big I, anyuku. He got it right. So it means I didn't make any error in the pronunciation. Okay, next one. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. Let's go. Let me see who can crack this one. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. Who will crack this one? Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. This is the last sentence for today. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. None of you deem it fit to like this live class. No thumbs up. You people did not want to hit thumbs up. You just want to learn and go away. It's good though. All right, let's go. Maybe at the end of the class we'll do that. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. Let me see who can try this one. Anyone that got this one, I'll give you a clapping offering. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. I've missed classes. I will subscribe today. Wow, that's fine. That's fine. Please do so. Remind me where you are, Larry. Which part of the world are you? Are you in Nigeria or outside Nigeria? I can't remember again. You know, it's long. We saw you in class. Which part of the world are you again? Remind me. Okay. Ha na-akụnye. O siri ike. Oh, yeah, I know. That's why I said, let me see who can try it. But at least you start from the one you know now. I say ha. You should be able to know ha. Yes. You have written that before. Na-akụnye. What is that? Mkpụrụ. I think you should know mkpụrụ. I've just mentioned it before in the beginning of this class. Mkpụrụ nkewa. I know it's difficult to understand that together. N'etiti anyị. Okay, let me write the Igbo version. Let me see whether anybody can use that. Na-akụnye. Let me see whether that will help. And you should have dot under it. Yes. Yes. Okay, you are in England. That's right. That's right. I remember. Okay, this is the full sentence in Igbo. Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. This is the full thing I said. Yes, Ebehe, can you attempt it now? Can anybody attempt it now? Ha na-akụnye mkpụrụ nkewa n'etiti anyị. They are something small. Okay, they are something small. That's good effort. Mehe, what do you say to this? I'm not getting your response. Let me get your response as we are running up. Don't forget to hit the like button for this live class. If you have learned something today, hit the like button beside my channel name for this. I don't know where it's located around you there. Just for this class, hit the like button and do share it too so that others can also watch this live class. We appreciate that. Larry, as you have said, do subscribe to our membership after the class. Once we drop, you do that. We'll appreciate that. They are causing confusion between us. That's a fair trial. That is a fair trial. But the real meaning is they are sowing. Kunye is to sow. So now kunye is sowing. They are sowing seed. Mkpụrụ is seed of division. That is mkpụrụ nkewa. Nkewa is to separate. Kewa is separate. Okay? They are sowing seed of division. N'etiti anyị is among us or between us. Among us or between us. They are sowing seed of division among us. That is exactly what I've said. Ha, they, na-akụnye are sowing mkpụrụ seed. Mkpụrụ nkewa, seed of division. Kewa is to divide. Kewa. Okay, mkpụrụ nkewa is seed of division. Okay? Among us, n'etiti anyị, between us, among us, among the citizens of the nation. Politicians have divided us so badly that we no longer see ourselves as one people or one country. We don't see ourselves like that again because of political activities. So does it don't mean that we are different. We should be fighting ourselves while they are enjoying our money and living luxurious life with their families while we are fighting each other, using tribe and using religion to divide us while they loot us dry. That is the dummy they sold to us. And then we continue to fight. That's why we cannot fight them. We can't unite to fight them because they've divided us. Okay? It's called divide and rule. But many of us never knew that is what they have done to us. All right. Please, thank you for giving me a thumbs up, giving this class a thumbs up. Go ahead and do your subscription. Salary. Let's see again next Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Please, Mr. Emehe and the rest of you, let's come to class at the actual time we agreed. The time is 2 p.m. Nigerian time. It will not be fair that your teacher is in class waiting for 10 minutes, and no one shows up, 20 minutes, and no one shows up. It is so discouraging. It's not the best for us. So, thank you for coming around. Hit the thumbs up, give us the emoji, give us your super sticker, super chat. If you are led to doing that to show appreciation and support us even more, we'll appreciate your time, your interest in Igbo language, especially my brother Lanre. God, Chineke gọzie gị, gbaa gị ume, nyere gị aka n'ọlụ ị na-alụ, help you in your work, n'ezinụlọ gị and in your family. Maazị Clement, ndewo maka ịbịa n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. Ụbọchị nta ka anyị chụọ n'Owere nchi. On the day of hunting, let us pursue in the land of grass cutters. Ka ọ dị ụbọchị ọzọ. This is a proverb anyway. Ka emesịa. See you then. We'll see in the next class. Gbadalụ. Okay. Off now. Going off now. Okay. Okay. Chineke gọzie gị.